And that is exactly what it's going to do on every part of the face where I've placed the concealer. Hi lovelies, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So today we are doing a simple makeup look that you can carry to any occasion. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Joy. If you're a returning subscriber, okay, I'll get your hug. Alright, let's just move into this video. So I'll be starting with my foundation. I already did my skin prep of the camera. In case you're still not good at your skin prep, you don't know how to do it yet, you're new to this whole thing, a card will be up here for you, so check it out so you will learn how to do your skin prep. This foundation might look a bit lighter in the camera, but that's just camera for you. So let's blend. I think it's the quality of phone I use to film that changes the shade of my foundation, because I notice that most times after doing my foundation, when I want to edit, I will notice that it is looking a bit lighter. I hope this one won't be like that, because I learned to make it darker so that it will come out okay. So I'm done with my foundation. Sometimes you might find it hard to get your perfect shade of foundation in one bottle. So what you can do is to mix two together. Like these are the two I mixed. As you can see, the shades are two was about right, but it gave me exactly what I wanted. Okay, so that is it. So let's contour the face with a darker shade. I am not contouring. Like I have a bit of the light something there. I'm not doing too much, just a little. I'm done with the contouring, and here are the places we contoured. Here, and then the sides of the nose. These are the places where I need shadows on my face. You guys know contour is just to mimic shadows, okay? So let's move on to blush. So for blush, this is the color I'm using today, is pink. How many of you knows that blush makes you look younger? You know that it has a way of bringing your face back to life, giving you that youthful glow. If you have been skipping your blush, this is a sign never to skip it again, okay? Take it serious actually. So with the concealer placed on the places I want to mimic light on my face, don't forget contour is for mimicking shadows. Right now highlight is for mimicking light. So these are the places I want light on my face. These are the places where I have my concealer on. So let's go ahead and blend. Can you see that how it instantly lights up here? And that is exactly what it's going to do on every part of the face where I've placed the concealer. So let's go ahead. Okay, the concealer is properly blended out. If you can remember how the face was before the concealer and how the face is looking right now, you can see that light has properly been mimicked here. So you see that light has been properly mimicked. And please be careful, be mindful of the under eye. Make sure you blend it so well to avoid creases, okay, before you move on with your setting powder. Now let's set. To set the face, I'm starting with the under eye. Yeah, this is the most important place. I blended it last and I'm setting it first. If you don't know how to set properly, I have a whole lot of videos on that and shorts also, yes, that will teach you, okay? I'll see if I can leave one here for you. Check that card out. I will. Can you spot the difference? You see how matte this looks and fresh. So let's set this other side. Now it's time to do my brows. Let me quickly do that off the camera and I'll be right back. And in case you're still struggling with your own, I'm leaving a playlist here for you. Check that card out, okay? So my lovelies, I am done with my eyebrows. And it's time for eyeshadow. Don't forget we said a simple makeup look, and we know that what bridges the gap between what we call simple makeup and heavy makeup is mostly the color of eyeshadow used. So I am going to try as much as possible to keep it simple. Minimum. Okay, so let's go. So I'm starting with this soft brown at the outer corner of the eye, and I'm going to blend it towards the inner corner of the eye. And for the inner corner, I'll be going with this gold. It's a shimmer gold, and not a lot of it, just little, because it's quite sharp, so I don't want too much of it. Yes, and I think that will do. And then I will go in with that brown again to blend the harsh line. You know, in makeup, blending is the key. You don't want to leave any harsh line. Blend so well. So this is the much I'm doing with the eyeshadow. Anything more than this might not be termed simple again. So let's stop here. To line the eyes, I'll be using the dark liner. So for mascara, this is what I'll be using from Zaron Cosmetics. It helps get rid of eyeshadow fallout on your lashes. And for my eyelash, I'm going for something short and scanty also. This type of lash brings out your face, but a lot of people don't know. Some people like to have it no, but this is actually the type of lash that brings out your face. And then you take your eye down and then you place that on top of your natural lashes, making sure that the base touches the base of your natural lashes, okay? And then you press it down. And the lash is done. For powder blush, I'll be mixing pink and orange. Yes, I love the effect it gives, pink and orange. Not baby pink though, deep pink. Oh, we said simple makeup. I forgot myself. You know I'm a blush girl. So let me just stop here. So for the lips, I'm first of all starting with the brown liner. After the brown liner, I am going to add it. Now smack that. Where's my blending brush? My lip blending brush. Now blend that. See that? And that is it for the lips. I can leave it like this or I can choose to gloss it, but for now I am leaving it like this. So to set the face, this is what I'm using. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. That's it. And when the setting spray dries, do not forget the under eye. You need to mattify it, and of course, you need to mattify it and also brighten it up. And this is what we have at the end. Please pay less attention to my front hair. That is not that, okay? So look at what we did. You see how this look blends into every occasion. You can carry it to anywhere, anytime, any day, and it speaks class. It speaks elegance. This is absolutely divine, okay? Thank you for staying with me, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment for me in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I'm begging you, do well to subscribe, okay? Till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye.